We've been working for Bellarise for over 2 years now. We're into our third year working with them. I came across Bellarise, and they came in very cost effective. And after extensive testing, because in a bakery you don't change yeast like you change a pair of shoes. Yeast is one of the things you're most concerned about. But they had a product that matched the performance, actually probably outperformed our old supplier, and we've been working with them ever since.
I've got a customer that they're part of the Bread Bakers Guild. They are very idealistic, but they want to produce larger and larger quantities. And some of the products that they were using were, kind of falling out of spec with the many changes that have occurred in our industry. We were able to, focus our efforts, put them in touch with an all-natural clean ingredient that allows them to produce a greater volume and still stay pretty close to their standards and where they'd like to be.
We've gone into facilities and given the opportunity to look at the customers' formulas and clean them up, knock them down by maybe 5-6 ingredients, replacing them with just one of ours, helping them out as far as batch sizing goes, and reducing, not only cleaning up their label, but reducing the amount of stock that they would keep for their current formulas.
The folks came out very quickly. They brought a lot of resources to bear to do some additional testing for us so that we could learn what we needed to learn to help us move forward.